Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix the slow and laggy DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, go into the settings, scroll all the way down into System, and then the developer options. If you don't have developer options enabled, then you can find the video on our channel of how to do it. Then we will need to find to reduce animation scales, so it's better to just search animation. It should pop up. Okay, Animator duration scale, and right here animations off. Then also in settings, go into the storage and free up space. Also, you can uninstall unused apps and turn off the live wallpaper if you have it in Wallpapers and Styles. Just change the wallpaper to a static one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.